Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys all are fine. Today I will discuss about the website hosting platform. As we all know, for hosting a website, you must need to host it to a platform that users around the world can see it, supports it. Will the topic of today's video is this. And comment below if you like this video or not. And let's start the video. The best the best web hosting services for 2022. The best web hosting services for 2022. Our top 11 picks. Okay. Number 1 is Bluehost Web Hosting. Again, 4-star rating, excellent. Best for a monthly, you can say it. Number 2 is InMotion Web Hosting. 4-star rating. InMotion Hosting has numerous robust features that satisfy nearly every web hosting need, whether you are looking for shared cloud, VPS, or server hosting. Number 3 is DreamHost Web Hosting. DreamHost offers outstanding features at excellent price points with a bevy of tools to make the process easy for novice webmasters. Its cloud hosting packages are especially robust. Number 4 is A2 Web Hosting. A2 has a strong foundation with a host of excellent features. If you are keen on using WordPress as your web hosting foundation, this is a place to start. Number 5 is AccuWeb Hosting. 4-star rating, excellent. The reasonably priced AccuWeb Hosting offers terrific uptime, helpful customer service, and a Windows Server operating system option for your website. More importantly, its excellent dedicated hosting plans are where this web host truly excels. Number 6 is Liquid Web. 4-star rating, excellent. Liquid Web Hosting. Liquid Web is a managed web host that offers features packed uptime and traffic, customer service, but its overall excellent will cost you. Best for reseller and VPS hosting. Postprint has powerful tools to help you build attractive functional websites. It's a top choice overall with several reseller and VPS hosting plans for small and business. Best for WordPress hosting. VPN Gym with 4-star rating, excellent uptime, reliable customer service, and platform flexibility make WP Engine more than worthy of hosting your WordPress pages, even if you are running an enterprise class site. Number 9 is Hostinger, one of my favorite. Hostinger Web Hosting, 4-star rating, excellent. Hostinger is a well-rounded web host that features high-quality customer service and uptime. But if you need powerful dedicated servers, you will have to look elsewhere. Okay, so yeah, that's for today's video. That is not a financial advice. Hope you like that video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. And I see most of you guys are just seeing my video not subscribing. So yeah, I will see you next time. Then bye bye.